Hello, welcome back to the LEGO City. It's Leo here. And today, I'm gonna be making some changes. Recently, I put all these over here. So you know the spaceship, well, all the people there can access the NASA spaceship. So yeah, I think it's pretty good that they are put there. But now that they can access the spaceship, I don't think it's right to put the car crash over here because there's no way they're gonna come here, right? So there's no meaning that the car crash is here, right? So we're just gonna push everything, everything over here. And why are we pushing everything over there? Because I want it to go there. I think it's gonna be looking great over here. Like a car crash happening over here. Should we make it look like this? Maybe no. So yeah, I think it's pretty cool to make it just like this, you know. Just like this. Police officer. And there should be a police officer coming, right? Yeah, I'm gonna make a police officer come. Which is this police officer over here. She must have fell from a grip. So easily we're just gonna put her back, right? I'll deal with that later. And we're gonna put a trash can over here. But wait, this is the middle of the plane runway. Okay, guess we should move it to the LEGO store over here, right? Like that, right? Right? This girl should be looking like, wow, there's car crash! No! Okay, so there's a trash can here. And trash can is on fire. And of course, the police officer can't be writing this, right? No, she's not gonna be writing that. Believe me, she's not gonna be writing that. She's gonna be writing this, which is pretty cool. So just wait until I kind of put the minifig on it. Yeah. This. No, I find it really cool that LEGO makes LEGO police officers on these things over here. So it's really cool, and I'm gonna make police officer like just stand here. It's pretty cool, right? Just stand over here. Then this should go over there. And news is supposed to be here. Crash in a LEGO store. No! And I think this is okay, but we'll be moving these two motorcycles to a different place. Let's see, we'll be moving this motorcycle like here because it's the fire station, right? That makes sense, right? Gonna move this to here because it's stunts, right? Yeah, I think that's okay now. But wait, did I just kick that? Yeah, okay. So that's officially done with Slat. As you can see, that is actually the thing I've been waiting for some time, because I thought if the real people could enter NASA, that would be pretty strange, right? Yeah. So, okay, this is about everything we're gonna be doing today and now. Just wanted to give you a quick overview about what I did. Be sure to comment below about how you like this. I hope you like and subscribe. Be sure to smack that thumbs up button. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks.